Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith over at REMAX up in Big Bear Lake. Today, I'm actually over in Big Bear City. I'm going to walk you through my new listing at 489 Woodside Drive. So, super cool, been in the family for a very long time. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are from the street. 489 Woodside Drive. This home is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,500 square foot, 2-car garage. Only used in the past as a second home, but could be a great vacation rental and also a primary home. So now our lot lines, you've got a little marker right there to the, what is that, the south side? Nice big driveway, concrete. You could probably fit 2 cars in the garage and probably about another 3 on the outside. And the yard is irrigated, nicely landscaped. Apple trees right here behind the sign. I know they have I think it's a pear tree also. And they have a little irrigation system running through it. And so here we are to the other edge of the property line, kind of like right, it's hard to see in the video, right there. And if you have a friend, you can buy the neighbor's house. Okay, so we're gonna walk in really quick. So again, probably 3 cars out here, 2 cars on the inside. And the paint is in really, really good shape. Super clean, no chipping areas really. We've got a nice wood porch. And then it's covered right here. So we can go into the main house or go into the garage, but for the sake of it, I'm gonna go into the main house first. So here we are into the main part of the home. Nice wood ceilings. Does have the original OG carpeting in here. But super, I mean, it's in really, really good shape too. I'm gonna open the garage door, but not looking. Okay, so coming around, we've got dual pane windows in the home. Nice vaulted ceilings. A beautiful brick fireplace. We are looking at the fireplace. It is a gas fireplace, so it does have the gas starter down here, and it looks like it's got enough clearance to be up to code today too. And beautiful wood mantle as well. Nice, like looking out the windows, nice treetop views too. Just kind of like surrounded by trees in here. So if we kind of go stay left here, we're going to hit the kitchen and the dining room, and then the hall of bedrooms going this way too. So I'm going to take you through here first. Pretty private out here too. And we'll go outside last. But very open living room, kitchen, dining room. Furniture can stay with the home too. This is a Formica countertop. And then some linoleum floors transitioning from the carpet to the kitchen, dining room to the kitchen. And lots of cabinet space in here too. Dual sink. Little pop-out window in the kitchen too, so you can see your hummingbirds. The owners used this one as a second home for many, 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 many years. and never used it as a rental. So it's kind of why you don't see signs of it, the rental in the home. We did have also a local artist come in and stage the home with some artwork. So here is that information. And here's some of the artwork too. Cool piece. So coming down the hallway, we're gonna, on the left-hand side, got a light bulb burned out. We've got the first bathroom. So this is kind of like the common bathroom because the only other one is going to be one that is in the master. So sinks. This is like a, I forget what this material is. I'll think of it in a minute, but very heavy. I just removed some in the Joshua Tree video not too long ago. Another piece of artwork. And then in here we've got pretty clean, you know, just like a plastic tub liner. Very clean, very simple. And honestly, like barely used in the last probably say 8 years or so. Here we've got the laundry. There is a light in here too. So pretty much like new laundry, although they're not like brand new. They're new as in like they've probably only done like 5 to 10 loads. So, and then obviously here we have the access to the attic too, if you wanted to go up there. And then right here we have our first bedroom. Believe this is a double bed, maybe a full. And a full closet here as well. And then this is a cool little feature of the home, just like a little office area that you could put a computer, make your kids do their homework, whatever you want to use it for. Or use it as like a little vanity area too. Whatever. This is going to be the hall closet. So fully cleaned out, nice vacuum in here they left, and left you with some hangers. Another piece of artwork. So second bedroom, I think when they had the bed in here, it was on this wall. So probably could get a queen in here, would probably be what you would want. Could potentially get a twin in here and some bunk beds or any other combination. And then this is your master right here. So another piece of artwork. This is a clock. King size bed. And then this is going to be a walk-in closet right here. So tons of room if you decided to live here. Or another thing you could do is use this as a an area that you could lock up so that you could keep your stuff up here. Although a lot of, you know, especially in the main room, somebody might want the bedroom or the closet. So we do have a walkout right here, but I'm going to take you through the front to go see out there in just a few. And then here we have the master bathroom. So it's a full bath, the same marble, that's marble countertops, I believe. Don't quote me on it, but this is the exact same thing I feel like I just ripped out in Joshua Tree. And the same tubs, which seems like these are newer than the age of the home, but I don't absolutely know that, so do not quote me on that. So again, 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,500 square foot, 2-car garage. And let's go look at the deck out back. Oh, here's another one. So here we are out here. It's kind of nice because these homes come off the street back there. So you're facing the back, then somebody else is on the back side as well. This is a cul-de-sac part right here, so you don't really have people right there as much. And your lot lines are gonna follow the fence, and it is kind of graded in some areas. You do have stairs coming down and little railroad ties throughout as well, and irrigation down there as well. So here we are, the back of the house. Tracks up here on the railing. Love how close the trees are. And then it does go down. There is a buildup down here. Maybe I can take you here and then come up and show you the garage. The owner did leave some things in the garage, so bear with us. Just kind of look past that. So we've got the irrigation system right here. And this is a big buildup area underneath the home. So not much that you can kind of see, but it is also another area for storage too. Put that back, and then we'll go up this way. Got the trash company coming by today with their squealy brakes. So again, notice the paint job, really good shape. And here we have the 2-car garage, more like a 2.5-car garage. You could use a lot of it for storage, which they do. And it is all finished off in here with outlets throughout. And then in here we have access to the water heater and into the hallway. Let me know if you want to take a look. Talk to you soon. Bye.